Imagine a world where machines think for themselves, where robots take decisions that affect our lives without any human input. What if the very technology we created to help us ends up controlling us? Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it might be closer to reality than we think. Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than ever. From self-driving cars to advanced chatbots, AI is changing our world in ways both big and small. But behind the excitement and potential benefits, there's a darker side to AI that we need to talk about. One big worry that AI is being used to create fake videos, fake voices, and even fake images. This makes it harder for us to trust what we see and hear, blurring the line between reality and fiction. It's like living in a world where anything you see on the screen could be fake news, and that's not a joke. Companies are already using AI to track what we do on the internet and in our daily lives, predicting how we'll behave and even influencing things like elections and public opinion. It's like having a computer brain that knows you better than you know yourself, which raises a scary thought. What if this computer brain starts making decisions for you without your say-so? Some experts believe that if AI becomes smarter than humans, it could start acting on its own, ignoring the rules and values set by humans. We're talking about machines that could decide who gets a loan or a job, who pays higher taxes, and even who gets into a prestigious university. Now, these might seem like far-off science fiction ideas, but the truth is AI is being used in some of these areas today. Another big worry is the use of AI in things like weapons, cyber attacks, and surveillance. Imagine a world where robots are used to fight wars, or where criminals use AI to hack into important systems, and where everyone is constantly being watched by machines. It sounds like something out of a dystopian novel, but the reality is AI is being used in all these areas today. So here's the deal. AI is a powerful tool that can change our lives for the better in many ways. But like any powerful tool, it also comes with risks that we can't ignore. As we move forward, we need to ask ourselves, will we control AI or will AI control us? It's a question we need to answer carefully because the future of our world might just depend on it. So what do you think? Is AI a tool for progress or a danger we can't escape? Let me know in the comments.